Hi friends, welcome to Whizbusters. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how to make your life easy by sorting your data in Google Sheets. Before we begin, I publish content absolutely regularly, so stay updated with new videos by subscribing to the channel and ring the bell to get notified of the latest videos out. So we have a table here of the total population of different countries in thousands. And this was extracted from the UNESCO website in February 2021. If you are interested in the full dataset, you can find the link below for details. Now we have a column with the country name and a column with the population size for the year 2017. The values in column B is the population size in thousands. So we want to know the countries with the lowest population size, then the second lowest, and so on, until finally the highest population size in the last row. We can easily find this by sorting column B in ascending order. And to do this, we select the table. So we can select the table by either holding down the Shift key while clicking the first cell and the last cell in the table all together. Or we can, for a Mac, click any cell inside the table and press Command and A keys at the same time. Or for PC, press Control A keys at the same time. So the first step is to select the table, and we've selected the table. The second step is to click Data, then click Sort Range. Notice a box appears. So at the top there is a checkbox, and next to the checkbox says Data has header row. Click the checkbox to select that the data has a header row. This means that our table has a row at the top of the table which has the names of the columns like country and the population for 2017. Next, there is a drop-down menu which has the names of the columns. So right next to sort by, if you click that, you see country and 2017. So we click 2017 because we want to sort the population. The next step is that since we want the information in ascending order, that is from lowest to highest, with the lowest in the top row and the highest in the last row, we would click A to Z. That is already chosen by default. This is in ascending order. Z to A is descending order, so we leave A to Z. Finally, we click Sort. Look at our table. It shows that Cayman Islands has the lowest population, and that is at 63,000. Next is 71,000 for Dominica. Then it's 95,000 for Antigua and Barbuda. And going up or down the table here, we reach to the highest in this group of countries with over 1.3 billion people. So let's undo this and go back into the dialog box. So to undo, we can either press Ctrl Z or we can click Edit, then Undo. For Mac, it would be Command Z. For PC, it would be Ctrl Z. Now, going back in the dialog box by clicking Data, Sort Range, the dialog box pops up here. Let's not check the data has header. And notice that in this case, after the sort by, you'll see that the drop-down menu has column A and column B. So let's choose column B because our population is in column B. And let's leave it in ascending order. Let's click Sort. What do we get? Well, the table is sorted in ascending order, but the table's header went to the middle of the table. See, 2017 is after 1264, but before 3164. This is because we told Google Sheets to include this row when sorting, but we don't want that. So we want to check off the option that the table has a header. So let's undo this. Ctrl Z or Command Z. And going back into the dialog box, which is Data, then Sort Range, the dialog box pops up. Let's click Data has header row. Now let's try sorting in descending order. So we're going to sort the population. So we choose the column with the population, which is 2017. And we're going to choose the second option, Z to A, which signifies descending order. Then we click Sort. The country with the highest population size is at the top with the lowest at the bottom. So the table was sorted in descending order. So there we go, my friends. That's how we sort our data using the sort option here by a specific column. Thank you for watching and learning, and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.